Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Alex Fresco, and in this video, which is the second part of the CAD environment on how to draw geometries, we will see polylines and splines. So how to draw polylines and splines. Let's immediately start with the polyline, which is the third one, actually the fourth one from the top, considering also the point. And remember, on the right panel, you have the possibility to switch between different geometries. In this case, since we are talking about a polyline, so we can draw lines, and we have three different types of lines, and we can go actually ahead also with arcs, and we have three different types also of arcs. Let's start with the line. We can click anywhere in the working area or specify coordinates here on the right panel. Right now, ortho is enabled, so as you can see, I can move only every 45 degrees, otherwise I can turn it off and move freely in the area. Then keep in mind, when you are building a polyline, you can switch as many times as you want between lines and arcs. Now we can keep going, for instance, with an arc, then we can go back to the line. And if you need to specify, just a length and the angle, you can switch type of line. Otherwise, you can even go ahead and draw it freely here, just clicking as I'm doing. Then go back to the line again. We can even use the tangent arc. So as you can see, it's going to be tangent to the previous geometry. And then you can assign the direction of the arc this way or the other. And I don't know, we can now go back to the line and eventually close the polyline with the right click of the mouse. And as you can see, you have options here, and I can decide to close the polyline, and it will automatically snap the end point of the line to the starting point of the first line that we started to draw. We have seen how to use a polyline. Now let's go and check the spline, which is pretty similar. The only thing is that usually spline is just basically a wavy form without lines. As you can see, as I go, you can create shapes like that. Remember, when you have to stop your polyline creation, you can do it from here, and it will take the last point added. Otherwise, again, you can right click and eventually decide to close the spline. One more thing, if you want to edit one of these geometries, remember that you can double click directly on the geometry here in the working area, or you can double click on the geometry here in the right panel, and at that point you can start moving the points and bring them where they need to go. I'm going to do some variation also for the spline. As you can see, everything is adapting. And in case of machining applied to this geometry, we will see in a future video that also the machining will follow the new form of the geometry. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you at the next video.